Pain. It's something we all face in life. Whether it's emotional, physical, or mental, pain can often feel overwhelming. But what if I told you that pain, instead of being something to avoid, can actually be the very thing that propels you toward success? Stay with me, this might change your perspective. Step 1. Embrace pain as part of growth. First things first, pain is inevitable. No one is exempt. It's not a sign of weakness, and it doesn't mean you're failing. In fact, pain is often the first step in personal growth. When you're going through tough times, remind yourself, this is part of your journey. Every hardship can be a lesson, every setback can be an opportunity. Step 2. Shift your perspective. It's all about how you view pain. Instead of seeing it as a roadblock, try seeing it as a stepping stone. Think of it as the pressure that turns coal into diamonds. Out of difficulties grow miracles. Jean de la Bruyere. Change your perspective from "why is this happening to me?" to "what can I learn from this?" Pain might be temporary, but the lessons you gain can last a lifetime. Step 3. Transform pain into motivation. Pain has a powerful ability to fuel motivation. Think about some of the most successful people in the world. Many of them faced huge challenges, but instead of letting pain defeat them, they used it to push forward. Whenever you're feeling down, use that energy. Let it drive you to work harder, to push beyond what you thought was possible. Turn that pain into purpose. Step 4. Build resilience. Pain strengthens your resilience. It tests your limits, and through that testing, you find out just how much you can endure. The more you push through pain, the more resilient you become. Your capacity to withstand pain today makes you stronger tomorrow. Every time you get back up after a fall, you're one step closer to your success. Step 5. Take action and keep moving forward. Success isn't found in avoiding pain, it's found in how you move through it. Don't let pain paralyze you, use it to fuel your action. Set small, achievable goals during tough times. Every step forward, no matter how small, is progress. Keep going, and soon, you'll realize that pain didn't stop you, it built you. So, the next time you face pain, remember, this could be the moment that changes everything. Instead of running away from it, ask yourself, how can I use this to grow? How can I turn this into success? Pain is temporary, but the strength you gain from overcoming it can last a lifetime. Thanks for watching. If this resonated with you, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and share it with someone who needs to hear this today. You got this. Keep pushing forward, and remember, success often comes from the most challenging moments.